our Mulberry High School Salutatorian earned a cumulative 4.558 grade point average. It is my honor to introduce the class of 2025 Salutatorian Adyson Joy Bowling.
Legacy. Legacy is one of those words that you might have heard in passing, but does anyone know what it truly means? If someone were to ask me the definition of legacy, I would have to spend several minutes thinking it fully through, and even then, my words to describe it would not be as detailed as a dictionary's. Words do not come easily to me, and you can't even imagine how many times I practiced this speech. Take it easy on me, by the way. My name is Adyson Bowling, and I am honored to be your class of 2025 Salutatorian. Now, back to that dictionary. I did look up the definition of legacy. Cambridge Dictionary says that the meaning is something that is part of your history or that remains from an earlier time. That definition was just not enough for me. I wanted to know more. A legacy cannot be summed up with a bland set of words. A legacy has life, breath, substance. My own legacy started many years ago. My older brother graduated from Mulberry High, class of 2022. Both of my parents walked the halls of the old school on the hill for 4 years together and graduated with the Mulberry class of 1993. My grandmother was also a proud Panther, the class of 1973. My great-grandmother, the roots of our legacy, graduated from Mulberry High School with the class of 1940. 3 generations came before me to set the foundation for my Mulberry High story, my legacy. That is my family's legacy, and it may be similar to yours. To all of you here today celebrating this graduation, I propose, if you are an alumni of Mulberry High School, please stand and be recognized. These Panthers standing before you, beside you, behind you, we are all the collective legacy of Mulberry High School. And graduates, you are now one more intricate piece of the history of our school. Please be seated. What does the class of 2025's legacy look like? With the help of teachers and administrators, the class of 2025 started several new traditions. The senior crowning. We were the first class to decorate Burger King crowns on the football field at the end of our junior year. We were the first class to create that tradition. Now, all the classes after us will be able to make those memories of their own. That is part of our legacy. Our last week of school, we hid tiny plastic ducks all throughout campus. They'll still be there, waiting, hidden and ready to find for years to come. Just ask Mrs. Kondoff. She'll still be finding those mini ducks in her classroom, at least for the next year. We left our mark in a simple and funny way that felt true to us. However small, it is a piece of our unique legacy. But our legacy truly started when we were freshmen, walking on the paths of previous Panthers at our old campus, the little school on the hill, our home like many decades of Panthers before us. That dreaded COVID year, we spaced out in the gym to eat lunch. There are thousands of stories from that campus. Ours, class of 2025, even has the one about cats falling from the ceiling, if you can believe it. In the second semester of our freshman year, we packed up teachers' classrooms and helped move to our school to the new campus, our new home. We, the class of 2025, are the last graduating to walk the halls of school on the hill. Our legacy breathes out the old and in the new. We are the first class to have learned, to have walked, to have lived each of our 4 high school years at our new campus. We were the first freshmen to have lunch in a fancy new student union. We got to experience getting hit by doors during class change. Why do they open into the hallway? We'll never know. We walked up the endless flights of stairs, and we're still catching our breaths. At least we earned our daily steps. The mural in the student union has our faces as freshmen, forever gracing the walls, for new freshmen to walk by and see. Our legacy lives on, who we were, who we are, and who we can be. There are some unique legacies in our graduating class. Guadalupe De Nova continues the legacy of winning the Foreign Language Silver Garland Award for MHS. Chris Baez, like many of you, will be a first-generation college student in her family. Mia Jones was Mulberry's first ever wrestling state finalist. Elle Castanon set a school record by scoring 2,000 basketball points. Our athletic teams crafted new legacies. Our cheer team competed for the first time in many years. Our ROTC rifle team represented us at nationals. From football to girls basketball to softball and boys volleyball, they all started a spark that will continue to ignite even when they are gone. Our own baseball team is honored today since they are not with us as they compete in state finals, making all that Panther perseverance worth it. These are just a few of the legacies that we have created. Class of 2025, if this is what we leave as our legacy, imagine what else we can do. Our high school journey has ended, but our lives have just begun. How exciting is that? We get to write the definition of our life's legacy. We have dreamed of these days since we were little, and they are now here. While it may be time to leave our alma mater, her impact will always be with us. Will your future involve a family, a small business, or even fame? What will your life's legacy be? When you walk out of here today as graduates, toss your cap and your dreams in the air. I hope you catch everything you wish for. Congratulations, class of 2025.